In this video, we're going to talk about crypto narratives. Crypto narrative is a story we tell each other on crypto Twitter or elsewhere about what's currently trending in the market. It's a kind of a fashion that makes different coins move up or down, so it's always worth to know what's currently trending, what's a narrative, and right now we're somehow in a period where there are no new narratives, no major narratives like we had with meme coins the past couple of weeks. So there are some small narratives I'm going to mention, but first of all, I urge you to subscribe to Victor. Victor runs Crypto Narrative Substack. The link will be somewhere down below in the description. And basically, he has this weekly recaps of what's currently trending, what kind of narratives you can find, and those kind of Substack summary is really great. So far it's been pretty slow. Basically there's a lot of people depressed about the state of the market because major coins are not moving like stocks, and stocks are pumping, and on the other hand a lot of altcoins are going down. So you can see that most affected altcoins are even have dumps of 20 to 25%. ETH held up pretty well and only lost around 3-5%. But generally speaking, if you compare that to the stock market, this is not really optimistic because the stocks are pumping right now, especially in the US. Now, this might of course be to do with SEC suing Binance and Coinbase, so that's one thing, and of course the end of one narrative, which was meme coins. Now, if you're looking for the new narratives, there's a couple of things, and this is what I'm going to mention in this video, because if you're looking for the new narratives, there are a couple of smaller ones that you can observe. It's probably not going to be massive, but it's definitely worth mentioning, and that's why I'm doing this one whole video about it, following Victor instead of like doing separate videos for each narrative like I normally do. So first one is about different Telegram bots, and there's UNIBOT, Maestro, and Dung. There are a couple of coins that you can basically find them on Twitter, but basically they allow you to run a Telegram bot buying different meme coins quite easily, basically following different people and doing those buys automatically. Easy to set up, and basically you just have to hold particular coin to basically profit from this kind of setup. Of course, you can lose money as well because those are you basically investing into meme coins. This kind of tools allow you to actually do a little bit of automation of your strategy. So if you follow a particular influencer for calls, look into UNIBOT, Master, or Dung, and basically it allows you to automate the calls of that caller if you're following his particular advice. So this allows you to automate this part of trading. Really cool one, and this might the easiness of using UNIBOT, Master, or Dung makes it so that the tokens that they have beyond those kind of tools might actually to some extent be more popular in the future. Another micro narrative that Victor is mentioning is Polygon zkEVM. So that's a new version of a Polygon chain with zero knowledge proof, and basically TVL is still very low, around $25 million, which means that there's not much funds locked onto the chain, but the number is growing. There are new tokens, so it's definitely worth looking for, especially that there might be some new incentives on this new chain, so that, for example, if you farm different tokens, you might get some additional ones as an incentive, so it might be worthwhile taking like a loan on Polygon zkEVM rather than on standard Polygon or other L2. So this is the kind of two micro narratives that you have right now. Another pretty interesting one is Pendle Wars. So basically Pendle is the product where you could basically pay for the token at a discount and get the token sometime later on. It works basically for all the tokens that have some kind of a staking, because basically you're taking that staked value off, but instead you're buying the token cheaper. You can also buy just the yield, which is also pretty interesting concept. So this is one thing. This is the whole thing with LSDFi, meaning liquid staking derivatives financialized, which I was mentioning in a couple of videos with different products, and Pendle is one of this LSDFi movement, another micro narrative. And with Pendle, there's a bunch of products being built on top of Pendle with Equilibria and Penpie on top of them. Both are probably launched on Camelot, which is another great DeFi protocol on Arbitrum. Everything here is happening either on Ethereum or Arbitrum, worth mentioning. Radiant protocol is also the one that I did a video separately just about Radiant. It's basically just a way to use your staking coins to some extent to either borrow more money or one-click optimize the how much you want to yield. And what they plan right now is to go beyond Arbitrum. They already expanded into BNB chain and plan to expand into other chains as well. So this is about the micro narratives that you have right now. There's of course many more interesting subjects and topics from Victor on crypto narratives. Also he's mentioning Neo Tokyo. There's a new video from Alex Becker where he mentions different metaverse and gaming coins, and for the moment he's looking for, so this is also worth mentioning. Of course I have a lot of respect for Alex Becker as well for what he built, for the company he sold recently for $110 million, which was totally a SaaS company, nothing related to crypto. He has his crypto videos which are really a fresh air in the crypto market, not overly shilling anything, just talking about his thoughts and opinions about particular segments of the markets, especially related to gaming and metaverse. And these two segments will probably be big at certain point in the future, so it's worth observing. And if you're into gaming, you should definitely watch the most recent video from Alex Becker on different smaller coins that are relevant in gaming. There's of course more topics if you want to get into that. I'm just going to give you the link to Crypto Narrative Substack. This is the narrative of the June 14. So generally speaking, we're in a bear market. Crab wise, it's moving a little bit up and down. Altcoins are decimated, so probably stay away from altcoins for now. At least we're still away from the bull market that's coming probably at a certain point, but it's still not now. There's so much uncertainty, so basically stick to the main coins, be careful out there. Nothing here is financial advice, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.